Hi, my name is Paruch, and I'm really happy to be here at Dillman's. Something that I really enjoy doing, which is combining transparent watercolor in a very loose and impressionist manner with some opaque media occasionally, which is acrylic or even collage if that's something that floats your boat. So intentionally it would be a water media workshop with an emphasis on watercolor and then opaque media. It could even involve something like the new ink sticks, or watercolor sticks, which are part of the new arsenal for painters. So it'll be an adventure. Join me.